Dear viewers, welcome to Yogavana Health program. You may be impressed with our dialogue. It is natural dialogue and we don't want to please anybody unnecessarily. Whatever is there, we are going to tell you. Today's subject is liver and spleen disorder. Liver means it's a very important and biggest organ in our body. It will be in stomach. Spleen, a smallest organ attached to that liver. What is their duty and responsibility? You can well aware, and you might have seen in the internet also, you might have studied also. So I don't want to take much time unnecessarily. Known subject I don't want to repeat. Now the problem is liver hepatitis, liver jaundice, fatty liver, toxic in liver, inactive liver, like that. All diseases are curable in Indian system of medicine, not with European medicine or American medicine or the international chemical medicine. Not at all. Don't try and don't burn your hand. Don't waste your money. Lakhs together, they will swindle. Then later on they will tell you there is no medicine for liver disorder. Finish. And they will charge you ICU also. So this is allopathy medicine. Whether I tell or not, it is going to happen like this only. Then spleen. It is called pliha in Indian language. So what's the duty of spleen? Pitta. It will produce the pitta, pitta kosha, pittanga. Okay. If it is infected, the platelet will go down. The platelet, it's the army of our body, the border security. If spleen has become dull or ineffective or fat or sonku, that is called, that's called what? That is called, it is not working because of sonku. Sonku means what? It is adulterated. Because of that, the platelet will go down. Virus, infection, that has to be treated only with Indian medicine, not with European or American medicine. It is not at all there in chemical medicine. In modern medicine, there is no reply. They will be going on giving the injection for the platelet. You will become helpless. And they will be going on telling lifelong you have to take if you wanted to be alive. For that, India has got definite medicine. We need not research or search. It is the best medicine. Within few days, your spleen disorder will be rectified. For that, you have to write a letter, send the photo or the report of the lab. Then, what is your feeling? If spleen disorder is there, one side you cannot comfortably sleep, either this side or that side. You will not notice, doctor does not know, then how you will be? How you will be understanding? For that, Yogavana Health is the understanding point. And for all the diseases which are incurable, this is the last stop. If Yogavana Health failed means he cannot live at all. That many medicines are there. All Indian origin, all Indian medicine, majority of them is herbal, little Ayurveda, little naturopathy, little home remedy, everything we will compose and give you, and you are the master. We can live better. So, if your doctor says, for any disease, if no medicine is there, he is the traitor of the nation, Deshadrohi, and he wanted to misguide you, and you cannot believe him. To this extent, we can say, either you come to treatment or not coming. I don't have any loss because I am a saint, sannyasi, monk of Basava philosophy. Monk of Basava philosophy means Viraktas, non-attached to the blood relatives. And we live in jungle and hill area. Okay, the Yogavana Hills addresses are available, the phone numbers are available, and you can see the website also, and you can contact for more details. Wish you all the best. Good luck.